डियर स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज, क्लास 9th जनरल साइंस का टॉपिक है। तो लेट अस बिगिन हियर। द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज, दीज कैन बी कैटेगराइज्ड, कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज कैन बी कैटेगराइज्ड on two bases. One is called on the basis of cause to agentus, on the basis of cause to agentus. The second one is called on the basis of mode of transmission. So these communicable diseases can be categorized on the basis of cause to agents and mode of transmission. So the first time start करेंगे on the basis of cause to agents. The communicable disease can be divided into 6 types. यानी they are of 6 types. Communicable diseases are of 6 types. One is called the first one is called the bacterial diseases. Bacterial disease, those diseases which are caused by the bacteria are called bacterial diseases. एग्जाम्पल हम इसके लेंगे डिप्थीरिया, इसी तरह वो टेटनस, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, कॉलरा, एंथ्रैक्स. So these are all example of bacterial disease. Number second is the viral diseases. Viral diseases. So what are they? Those diseases which are caused by the virus. तो अगर हम एग्जाम्पल लेंगे इसके वायरल डिजीज की, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉमन कोल्ड, polio, AIDS. So all are the examples of viral disease. Number third, protozoan diseases. Protozoan diseases caused by the protozoa. For example, अगर हम लेंगे malaria, amoebiasis, malaria, amoebiasis is the example of protozoan disease. Number four is the helminth disease. Helminth caused by the helminth disease. Helminth disease. इसके एग्जाम्पल लेंगे टीनियासिस, ascariasis. So these are the examples of helminths. Number fifth is the fungal disease or the fungal disease. Fungal is caused by the fungi. Fungal diseases. Example हम लेंगे ringworm. इसी तरह हम लेंगे. So this is an example of fungal disease. Number six is the rickettsial disease. Rickettsial. So rickettsial is the last type of the communicable disease on the basis of cause to agentus. On the basis of cause to agentus, the rickettsial disease or the, for example हम लेंगे rickettsial disease, typhus fever, trench fever are the examples of rickettsial diseases. Now we will discuss this was about on the basis of cause to agent. Now we will discuss about on the basis of mode of transmission. The communicable diseases are of two types. On mode of transmission, communicable diseases are of two types. One is called the contagious disease. Second one is called the non-contagious disease. The first one is contagious diseases. The second one is called the non-contagious diseases. तो अगर हम बात करेंगे contagious disease की, जो contagious diseases होते हैं, these are the communicable diseases which can spread from infected person to healthy person. How it transfer? These diseases can transfer by actual contact. So in contagious diseases are those diseases which are transferred from infected person to healthy person by actual contact. तो हम अगर बात करेंगे इस एग्जांपल लेंगे इस डिजीज की, अगर हम एग्जांपल लेंगे फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज इसमें आते हैं, एसटीडी, डोजेज विच आर ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम ड्यूरिंग सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स. सेक्सुअल ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज इस कंट्रीज में आते हैं, या कुछ और डिजीज आते हैं इसमें, फॉर एग्जांपल स्मॉल पॉक्स, चिकन पॉक्स. सो दीज आर ऑल एग्जांपल्स ऑफ व्हाट? दीज आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कंटेजियस डिजीज. अब हम बात करेंगे नॉन कंटेजियस ऐसे होते हैं, ये भी ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं फ्रॉम इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन टू हेल्दी पर्सन. by means of what? By means of they are transferred through water, food, and air. So in here in contagious, this was the actual contact. In non-contagious, this was transferred from air, water, and food. Air, water, and food. For example, अगर हम नॉन कंटिन्यूस एग्जांपल लेंगे, इसमें जो आते हैं टीनियासिस आता है, इसी तरह टीनियासिस, इसी तरह अगर हम बात करें कॉलरा, tuberculosis, typhoid. So these are all examples of non-contagious disease. So I hope you understand this. In another video we will discuss another topic. Till then, goodbye.